chemical analysis, that is, detection of anion and cation present in the salt, that we are going to do practicals. First, let me explain what is inorganic compound. An inorganic compound is a substance which contain more than one different elements. More than one different elements. So that we will call it as inorganic compound. So examples, here I am having example lead nitrate, lead carbonate, lead sulfide, calcium chloride, calcium bromide, calcium iodide, calcium phosphate, arsenic chloride, aluminum chloride, ferric chloride, ammonium oxalate, ammonium acetate, manganese sulfate, zinc sulfate, nickel sulfate, zinc sulfide, strontium chloride, barium chloride, magnesium sulfate, ammonium chloride, ammonium phosphate, calcium nitrate, and calcium sulfate. These are the important the salt that are commonly used in the laboratory. Okay. Now, as per our CBSE syllabus, so we are going to concentrate the anion, the following anion. 1. Carbonate 2 minus, sulfide 2 minus, sulfite 2 minus, nitrite minus, nitrate NO3 minus, 6. SO4 2 minus, sulfate ion, Cl minus chloride, bromide minus, iodide minus, phosphate 3 minus, oxalate C2O4 2 minus, acetate CH3COO minus. These are the anions we are going to discuss here in the practical as per CBSE. Coming for cations, we are going to concentrate lead 2 plus, copper 2 plus, arsenic 3 plus, arsenic 3 plus, kindly follow me, arsenic 3 plus, aluminum 3 plus, Fe3 plus, manganese 2 plus, zinc 2 plus, nickel 2 plus, calcium 2 plus, strontium 2 plus, barium 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus, and ammonium plus. That means these are all cations. So we have to take respect to the salt containing these cations and we have to test in the laboratory. Okay? Right. First, I want to give some information for students' point of view. Because many students do not understand the basic concept. Because during Viva, question will be asked. So they must know to write the formula for any compound if the examiner asks. Okay. Rules to write molecular formula of a compound. Any inorganic compound, molecular formula, we can write if they give name. Let me give example. Number 1. Write first the symbol of the cation on the left. Please follow. Symbol of the cation on the left. And the symbol of the formula of anions on the right. Please follow. Say for example, suppose you want to write this potassium chloride, So the symbol for potassium on the left hand side and symbol for the anion potassium chloride or bromide. Say chloride. I can write here. Kindly follow. So I will write now potassium chloride. See, this is the method we have to. So depending upon the valency, the right way of writing will vary. We will come later. Number 2. Write the valency or oxidation number of the cation on the top corner of the right of the symbol. And the valency or oxidation number of the anion on the left top corner as. That means in the case of calcium, 2 on the right hand side, top, chlorine 1 on the left hand side. See? So why we have to write? Because when we are going to see the latter cases, when we are writing the calcium 2 and chlorine 1, kindly follow that 1 will come to calcium and 2 should come to chlorine. So automatically we will write the formula calcium chloride. This is the method we have to follow. Please follow. Now, more clearly, third one. Just now I informed you, just see here. Put cross into between cation and anion having the valency or the radical, that is the oxidation number. From the number to the bottom of the symbol are cation and symbol or formula of the anion. Example, calcium chloride, we have written. Same way, calcium phosphate, here we should not say symbol, we have to say formula because PO4 is the formula. So Ca2, PO4, 3, cross it, I can write Ca3, PO4 twice, calcium phosphate. Please follow. Now, another interesting information I want to give here. In the laboratory, what are the apparatus we are going to use? You must know. Now, basic thing is test tube. Basic thing is test tube. And same way, bigger one, boiling tube. And beaker. There are 2 ways. One is graduated, another is ordinary. This is ordinary beaker. Conical flask. 100 ml conical flask, 250 ml conical flask, different types. Measuring cylinder, 10 ml, 20 ml, 40 ml, 50 ml, like that we have. Then graduated beaker. Beaker also we have graduated because when we are using a medium, the acid or base, not necessary we have to pipette, we have to measure only by this. So we can use measuring jar or beaker. Okay. This is evaporating dish, China dish. And this is condenser, water condenser. During distillation we'll use. This is the Bunsen burner. So through the gas connected cylinder, burner will flame that you can heat. This is the tripod stand. Over the tripod stand, this gas can be placed so that we can place beaker, conical flask, anything you want to heat the solution. Suppose any precipitate we are getting, we can filter with the help of funnel. What you are saying is filtering funnel. And some cases we should not see directly the radiation, so we have to use eye protection glass. Eye protection glass. Then what you are seeing, the clamp and stand, it is used for burette. So this is the burette. It should be clamped here under this. The next comes syringe. Whenever necessary, we can also use syringe. Next, dropper. When you added 1 drop or 2 drops, in the case of indicator, we can use this. And stopwatch, if you want to note the time, you can use stopwatch. And if you want to weigh in the case of volumetric, etc., then balance can be used, weighing balance. And during grinding the crystal, we are using the porter, that is the mortar and pestle to make it powder. The next one, thermometer. This is the thermometer. And this is the pipette, volumetric pipette, 1 ml, 2 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, 20 ml. Normally we'll use 20 ml pipette. Finally, there is a spatula. We have. So these are the normally used the apparatus in the laboratory, and also we will have a water bottle. It is not given here. It is the water bottle. Water bottle will be like this, a bottle, and through this, by pressing the plastic, water will come out. So that also will be there. Okay. Let me go to the next one. So with this information, I hope I can go for the test for individual anion. Okay?